Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we get to learn 7 words, and the words are Apowa, Apoya, Apil, Apudha, Apul Apul, Apum, and Apusi. Welcome. Apowa. Apowa is a small skin worn round by young men. An example in a sentence you could say, Lao apowa no, chal kagima koth ogoyo. Lao apowa no, chal kagima koth ogoyo. Our second word, apoya. Apoya. Apoya is unexpectedly or suddenly. Oyeyo ne olago tienda apoya nono. Oyeyo ne olago tienda apoya nono. So a mouse suddenly walked on my feet. The third word is apil. Apil. Apil is just a corruption of April, due mar angwen, the 4th month of the year. So wachako pito apil. So that's just the English, the Luo corruption of the word April. Our fourth word of the day is Apudha. Apudha. Apudha are young vegetables thinned out for better growth. So you would say a lot Apudha. A lot Apudha. And the fifth word is Apul Apul. Apul Apul. An ogre or a mythical beast in the Luo oral narratives. Apul Apul. In a sentence, Apul Apul ne ochamo chiemb jogweng te. Apul Apul ne ochamo chiemb jogweng te. And our sixth word is apum. Apum. Apum is that which has a missing part or limb. Nyambura manikod ma apum. So a cat with a missing nose. Nyambura manikod ma apum. And our last word of the day is apusi. Apusi. A light brown species of sorghum is called apusi. Wadwa pidho apusi gi koth mar dweni. Wadwa pidho apusi gi koth mar dweni. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel to continue watching videos that look just like this. Have a great day. Oriti, goodbye.